guys want to see my engine get started today, man, stay tuned because it is going to be amazing. This thing right here, 2332 cc's stroker, is about to get turned over for the first time. So you guys want to see what this baby sounds like, man? Stay tuned because it is going to be awesome. What's up, you guys? We're over here at Volkswagen Showtime in Bangkok, Thailand, and we got a special little video for you guys. If you noticed, one of my previous videos, I bought a Volkswagen Bug, a 1966 right-hand drive, and today we're going to be actually turning over the brand new engine that I got built for her. It's a 2332 stroker, and it is going to be amazing. We're going to crank it over for the first time and see what that baby sounds like. In the meantime, we're going to quickly go through this garage, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing to get this engine prepped up, and at the end of the video, we're gonna start it and hear that baby roar, man. So you guys want to see what this little engine sounds like, mine? Y'all stay tuned, all right? Because it is gonna be awesome, man. Let's get into this shop right now and see what they're doing. Come on, let's go. So this shop has been around here for many, many years, man. These guys are amazing. They do some of the best Volkswagen work that I possibly know here in Thailand, man. If you guys need any kind of Volkswagen work, VW SHOWTIME is the place to be. This Bug right here, man, they're like, I believe the engine was seized, so they're gonna try to like take it apart and get it started up again and stuff and put it back on the road. These mechanics are super, super good, man. These guys know what's up. They do a whole full body restoration right here, have the whole thing repainted. They're about to start throwing in the interior, doing all the engine work and everything, man. Whatever you guys need, man, these guys know what's up. If you guys are thinking about even, you know, building a straight street route or whatever, man, they do it too. They're running some of the fastest times here in Thailand with these Volkswagens and other cars as well, man. So if you look online and other channels and stuff, and you look at Volkswagens Thailand, you'll see that Volkswagen here in the Showtime garage, it's got some of the best stuff. That's right. Really quick, man, you guys probably seen my Bug from before right here behind me. This little orange thing right here. This thing was also completely rebuilt, completely restored, but it got some miles on it, and it had, you know, the previous engine in there that we took to the beach, but you know, it was a little slow for me, right? So I figured, hey, why don't we pull it out and put a real engine in that, a nice 2332 stroker. And that's exactly what they're doing down there, man. They're starting to tune the carbs and stuff, so I'm gonna show you. But really quick, let's go over this Bug right quick so you can have an idea of what exactly it is and what it's gonna be. So right here, man, this is where they pull the engine out, right? It's got a bunch of coolers in here, the suspension's all done up, it's got good Monroe shocks and stuff, and we're actually gonna be swapping out the tires and putting some new ones. These are them old tires that they had on there, some 17-inch, which are awesome, they're amazing. But right now, we're kind of going through a couple of phases to see which actual rims look good and which don't. I'm trying to go for like the old school look, right, with them smoothies and stuff. So we slapped on these 15-inch Porsche alloys right here. Take a quick look. You know, it's pretty much a little sleeper. Everything's all original and stuff. It's got a great shifter. I don't know if you can see that because it's kind of dark here, right? And then in the back, he's got this whole roll cage set up and stuff. Got his little fire extinguisher and everything's ready to go, man, just in case we have a fire, which we're not. So let's quickly go over to these mechanics right here who've been there forever and see what exactly they're doing. It looks like they're getting the carburetor ready, right? And they're putting all the final touches to the engine. And yeah, in a couple minutes, man, we're gonna be starting this bad boy. Let me quickly show you the engine so you can get an idea of what we're putting in there. All right, here it is. This is it. This is the 2332 stroker, right? I don't know the exact details of it. I mean, I have it written down and I can let you guys know later. But dude, this is awesome, right? These are the carbs that they're trying to get fitted right now. And then, yeah, looks like they got the headers on, the exhaust system all set up as well so that we can get it started. And we're gonna actually leave it on this engine stand right here to crank it over. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting, man. This engine right here, I mean the orange fan strap, we're gonna have that removed and painted black down the road. And of course, we're gonna swap this out right here and put a nice MSD system on it. And yeah, it is gonna be dope. Let's take a quick look on the back just to see what it looks like. Nice. They got all the little starter all there set up and everything, man. So we're just fitting in the jets right now to get it all nice and ready. But it's definitely not gonna be in a few seconds. So in the meantime, let's walk around this garage and let's see exactly what they're doing and what kind of projects they got on hand. Let's go take a look, come on. Over here, you probably seen this in one of my older videos, man. He's got this little 63 right here. This thing is a beauty. He had a 58 oval sitting in here as well, but it's not here right now. It looks like he might have took it home or something. Let's take a quick look inside. If you guys haven't seen one of my old videos, and you can see just how clean he be restoring his rides, man. I'm sure it might be for sale as well, but you know, it's not like on the market or anything. This thing is a beauty. So another one of the cars that he got here, man, one of his little toys is this little Baja right here. This thing is cool as hell. As you can see, he's got his little brand right there, Showtime. But this thing is awesome, right? It's got the 32-inch tires on it and everything. The engine was pulled out because I actually used to use that engine in my Bug. So then I gave it back, and now we're swapping it out for a brand new engine. So that's why this thing is not fitted, but it's gonna get refitted, and this thing is gonna be on the road no time soon. I want to show you guys this drag car that the owner of the shop used to run back in the day. He's got a fiberglass body 69 Camaro that used to run straight at the drag strip here in Thailand. I mean, this thing used to pull like, I think it was like 8 seconds or something, man. I don't remember the exact number, but this is one of these workers that are actually standing on top of it right now, trying to pull an engine stand off it or something. So this thing has been like here just getting dust for a long old time. But I promise you, man, this thing is definitely going to be back on the road one time soon, man. Whole thing is fiberglass. Check out the back. It's all Camaro, 69. I mean, they did a good job in replicating it, that's for sure, right? Look at that. He's even got a California license plate, man. Dude, he knows what's up. I'll definitely make sure to show you guys a video once this thing is back on the road for sure, man. And once this whole current situation is out the window, I promise you guys one thing. We're gonna be at the drag strip, we're gonna be at the track, we're gonna be doing drifting, and you name it. Showtime, VW Showtime is gonna be back on the streets, man, or back on the tracks. And man, it is gonna be some good ass footage. You guys are gonna love it, man. Just stay tuned, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because more to come. But we're not done here, man. That Volkswagen is about to get started really soon. We are getting close, you all. Look at these bad boys, man. These are looking dope, you guys. Woo. These things are gonna eat a lot of gas, man. I was thinking about getting the 48s, but these 44s might just do the thing. Look at these right here, man. These are pretty dope, right? These things right here, check how much air is getting sucked in so they can do their tuning, right? Stick them in here, let the engine start, and they'll be able to tune it, man. We are getting close. All right, guys, that moment is almost there, man. We're just waiting for the oil pump to come in. We got the guy out there actually went to go pick one up, and he's bringing it down here to the shop. And right now they're just fitting all the coils, all the electrical. They're getting the battery all plugged up. They got the gas can connected to the pump and everything, man. This thing is just about to start. We're just waiting. I don't gotta watch, man. We're just waiting for a couple of minutes, and then boom, man, it is gonna be on, y'all. Let me show you right quick what exactly they've done so far so you can see how close we are. Take a quick look. So right here, man, they hooked up all the coil wires and stuff, right? They got all the electrical set up and stuff, so that's a good thing, right? They got the coil and stuff all connecting down here to the battery. So that's good to go, right? They got it all grounded up right here as well. Everything looks good. They got the gas lines all hooked up, right? They got the twin line coming to a little T right here. It's leading straight to the little filter, straight to the gas can and everything, man. This thing is ready to start. All we need is that oil pump, which is going to be set up right here. And it's going to connect straight to where it's got to go in there. And we got ignition, man. So just a few more minutes and we are going to hear this beast crank up, man. We're almost there, y'all. Clock is ticking. Ooh, I'm excited. Looks like the part we've just been waiting for. Actually, the guy just arrived, man. The hose for the oil pump has came. We're just gonna fit it up right now and get it started, man, in less than a minute. Really quick, here's the last pieces that we're waiting for, and then start them ignitions, everybody. So this is it right here, you guys, just fitting up that last little piece to that. That's the oil filter type thing. We're gonna connect it to this big old hose right here, which is gonna connect right into there, man. And that's about it. Man, just dropped my GoPro. It wasn't good at all, man. Oh, almost broke my lens. All right, you guys. Are you ready to rumble? I think we're ready to rumble, man. Let's get this baby started. Here we go. That baby is smooth, man. Yes. Baby started, man. That thing is smooth, y'all. They're just doing the timing right now, getting it all worked up and everything, man, for a dry start. This baby is sounding amazing, man. So what we're doing right now is we're breaking in the camshaft right now. It's roughly about a 20-minute run so that the camshaft gets broken in and everything is all good. So they're just checking the timing. They're watching the gauge to make sure that I believe it's like the beats per second or whatever is between 1,400 to 2,000. And it is looking good, man. We've been running it already for about 5 to 10 minutes and it has been smooth as a baby, man. These guys know what they're doing, man. Volkswagen Showtime, y'all. If you're in Thailand and you want one of these bad boys, you know where to go, y'all. All right, guys, there you have it, man. We just broke in the engine. We ran it for 20 minutes. The cam sounds awesome, man. What we're gonna do now is we're going to disassemble the whole engine, tune all the heads and all that kind of stuff, and run it one more time later down the road, and then throw it in the engine, into the bug, and start doing some test runs to actually break it in on higher RPM. Anyways, man, I hope you all like this video. Stay tuned for more to come. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, smash down that like button, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Red Cowboy Media signing out. Later, y'all.